If you've looked up how to play Ethel Cain's Hard Times online, you've probably found a lot of people telling you to just play a straight D, A, and E chord like this. And that's fine. It'll get you there. The melody will work with those chords, but it's not exactly how it sounds on the recording, and I think we can get closer. There's two things that really stand out about the guitar in the recording that I think are really important. One is that these two notes ring the entire time. The other thing is that I can pretty clearly hear the bass, or the lower note of the guitar, going. And that slide is in there. So how can we make that happen? I'm going to recommend moving the capo up to fret 3. That'll give us our ringing notes. And then for our first chord, we're going to play an open note, then fret 3, then mute the third string with your pointer finger, and then let these two notes ring out, the next two strings. And then we're going to mute the top E string with this part of your hand. So it's open, 3, muted, open, open, muted. Right, for the second chord, I'm going to slide up to fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mute the second string with your pointer finger. Then 3 open strings. And again, mute the top E string. So it's 7, muted, open, 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 muted. And then for the third chord, we're going to come down to fret 2 on the low E string. Don't mute the next string. It's 4 open strings in a row. And again, mute the top string. So it's 2, open, 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 muted. And that's it. Pretty much the whole song. Get the strumming pattern. And that's it.